Hey guys, what's up? Welcome again to another video. Today we're gonna talk about the YEEZY 350 V2 Salt colorway, and to be honest, I'm on the fence on copying it since I prefer the slate colorway than the salt colorway. And unfortunately, there's no announcement yet in the Adidas Instagram page and Facebook page. It's kind of funny since whenever they announce a YEEZY release, at least it is 2 days early. And right now, Friday, Saturday will be the drop. That is tomorrow. No announcement yet. Will this be a surprise drop? And I think it will be a surprise drop tomorrow since it was announced in different countries that it will drop October 22nd. And for me, I want to see this colorway. If this is something that it is minty and grayish, and looking at the photo, I think this is not that bad. At the same time, it's kind of weird to see something that is greenish gray. That's why I prefer the slate colorway. And in my opinion, if you want the stripe design in the 350, go with the Oreo or the slate colorway than this salt. But still, it looks interesting. If you like that kind of greenish mintish green color tone that is slightly dark and not too bright, I think you will love the salt colorway of the Adidas YEEZY 350. Now, speaking of sizing, there were a lot of problems about the 350 slate colorway sizing. Some people typing in the comments that you should go at least full size up. But my suggestion in terms of sizing is to go half size up. That is my suggestion. I don't want to go full size up because it will have big room. So in my case, go half size up. And I know there has been a lot of weird sizing release, even the slides. And yes, just go check out the other previous videos that I made about the YEEZY slide pure that is different from my previous size. So there you go. I think resale price of the mintish will be below retail like the slate. Yes, you can check StockX right now, and the resale price went down. Now, speaking of flipping sneakers, I am now affiliated to Sneaker Flippers. Now, you can check their Instagram account and go check out the link down below if you want to learn how to flip. And they have different content about flipping sneakers. So go check out the links down below to learn how to quick flip, to learn the mechanics, how to market sneakers. The link is down below, Sneaker Flippers. So there you go, guys. I think this will be a drop in my opinion, but I want to see it. I'm interested on how it on this colorway, but let's see what will happen tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you like it. See you in another video.